Alright, now batting Dakota Dillon. Not bad. Nice hit right there, bud. Ready? That's a home run right there. Ready? That pitch. Ready? Nice. Whoa. That almost hit me. Let me see that swing again.
Huh?
Let me see that swing. Who taught you that beautiful swing?
Eric.
So, who taught you? Who taught you that swing?
Babe Ruth.
Babe Ruth? Alright, that's a better answer. Even though I did. Alright, one more round. Ready? Whoa, good hit. Whoa, that was a good one. Dang, dude. You're like Andre Ethier right there.